Hi guys, it's Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for checking out the channel. We're all about bathrooms. A couple of things today. Sorry for the hair. Shocking lid at the moment. I need a haircut booked in next week. And this is our latest project. Here we go. I think I might try and overlay some before pictures of this one. But the main features are very, very sleek Villeroy-en-Bosch. I don't know how you pronounce it, Villeroy-en-Bosch bath. Overflow filler, pop-up waste. That is supplied by Aqualeisure control unit there, which the top, I don't know if you can make that out, the top button does the shower and the bottom button does the overflow filler. Let's chuck that on. There you go. Cool. All porcelain motor tiles with a little feature section here, and I don't know if you can see with a little inlay, a little detailed inlay there of metal trim, which just gives it a nice bit of detail. This is on a data cable that goes to the loft. That all goes to the loft where the processor is up there, so quite pleased with that. Little two-piece folding screen with a little sort of anti-leak bar that you stick down there. Nice framework built for the bath here with a nice tiled bath panel, all nice and flush. That's quite smart. And then we built a box section in here, has our framework in here with a wall-hung toilet flush plate. Looks quite nice. Solid stone worktop in there, a 20mm. I think that looks quite sleek. And then very, very tall, big mirror there on a sensor here. There you go. And then a electric socket there, which is just a toothbrush charger. You put that straight on there and it charges it. So they're quite handy actually. I've done a couple of those before, and really only people ever use shaver sockets now for charging toothbrushes, so they're quite a good alternative to a shaver socket. Wall hung basin, 2-drawer, all soft close. Boom, boom. It's on an unvented high pressure cylinder, so very nice pressure, and a really nice big long ladder style tower rail. All this pipework was coming out of the floor, so we've rerouted it, bring it out of the wall, which neatens it up quite nicely. Nice chrome valves here. We've replastered all these walls and the ceiling, and these walls here, and decorated those in. The door is all still covered because that's a solid oak door, so it's all wrapped just to protect it. And then new downlights in here, IP rated LED downlights, new inline fan, so it's got the motor up in the loft and extracts out the roof. We put a roof tile vent on, and there we are. Yeah, look at that hair. That is desperate. Sorry about that, it's offensive. Right, that is our latest project. And matching floor tiles and a matching light grey grout on the walls and the floor. These are one whole tile made to look like individual mosaics, and you try and pick up the same grout in there, so that's a light grey, and then obviously all light grey sealant all around the bath, all up the corners, boom, 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 and then all across the floor line, all nicely sealed. Skirtings have still got to be glossed. I think the customer's doing that. So yeah, really pleased. Yeah. Right, on to the next one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.